Hi guys, Official Ma here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, we talk about men's relationship and how to get you your dream girl. If you know this kind of content interests you, please hit the subscribe button down below, and without being done, let's proceed to the video. First of all, I want to wish each and every one of my subscribers a happy new year. I know that it's almost a week now that I haven't posted on this platform. Most of you guys went as far as going to my Instagram to check up on me. I'm grateful for every single one person that got their time to reach out to me and ask me why I haven't been posting for like a week. I'm very grateful for each and every single one person, and even the people that took out their time to wish me. Some of you guys sent me emails. I saw some of your messages on Instagram, even on WhatsApp, even on Telegram too. I'm very grateful for each and every single one messages that you guys sent to me. So I'm here to wish every single one person a happy new year, and I pray that this year brings us much goodness. I pray that this year definitely would be better than the previous year. Obviously, I've been fine. I've just been busy with so many things. I have so many things that I'm working on currently, and I think that maybe as time goes on, I might announce to you guys. So I'm not really sure of that. I might. So over to the topic of today. How do you emotionally detach from someone? I've seen so many people come to my DM and ask me things like, oh, how do I stop caring about somebody? There's no single button to like press in your heart, or single button to like hold to your heart and you automatically stop caring about somebody. But there are some ways that actually there are some steps that you could put in place that you can emotionally detach, because the reality is that life brings about unimaginable truth. Life is very dynamic. People come and go. Emotionally detachment or emotionally detaching, it doesn't mean that you have to become cold, or you have to become indifferent, or you have to become nonchalant. No, it doesn't mean any of that. Emotionally detaching from somebody or emotionally detaching from a particular thing, it doesn't mean that you have to become cold or indifferent. It doesn't mean any of that. But it's all about regaining power to act with clarity and inner peace. And how do you do that? Number one is by understanding the impermanence of everything in life. Nothing in this life is permanent. Everything comes and goes, just like what I said earlier. Everything is an opinion, not a fact. Somebody was saying something one day, and I think the other person was saying, oh, this is the right thing to do. And some other person asked, why do you feel like that thing that you're saying is the right thing to do? Like, why do you feel like what you believe in is right? Everything in life is an opinion, not a fact. And everything that we see is a perspective, not the truth. You have to learn to embrace impermanence. For example, you try to hold sand. The tighter you squeeze, the more it slips away. Most times, we create a version of people that don't exist in our own head. I'm not going to talk about that at the end of this video, but I want you to understand that, first of all, you have to embrace the impermanence of life. Nothing in life lasts forever. No matter the most beautiful thing in life, the most handsome thing in life, like everything in life, nothing lasts forever. That is one thing that you have to understand. That is one thing that you have to come in terms with. You have to accept the fact that everything in life would definitely still come to an end. And when they do, you not suffer less. I'm not trying to say that you should always expect bad things to happen. No, I'm not trying to say that, but this is one inevitable truth about life, is that everything in life will definitely come to an end. There's no king in any kingdom that reigns forever. Everything one day will definitely come to an end. If you have this kind of mindset, when things happen, it would hurt you definitely, because we are all humans, but it will not really get to you to the extent that you lose yourself. Number two, you have to learn to master your emotions through rational thoughts. You have to know that your emotions are not reality. They are the interpretation of your thoughts. The kind of person that you are, the way that you think, the way your mind works, will determine if something will get to you or not. Just like the last live section that we had on Telegram, I was telling everyone that everything in life is just about perspective, the way you see things. For example, now someone can just come and just maybe push your head, or just call you big head or something of that sort. Maybe some people, if their girlfriend say, oh, big head to them, or say things to them, most people don't get angry with those words, or just say curse words to them. They don't get angry. Some couples even use curse words in their relationship. They don't get angry using curse words because of the perspective they have, because of the kind of perspective they have. Okay, someone can just walk up to somebody and call the person, oh, big head. that person might not get offended because the person might feel, oh, this person is joking with me, or this person is just a little child. This person doesn't know what they are saying, right? But that same person can walk up to some other person and call the person big head, and the person gets so mad, the person gets so pissed at that stuff because the person believes that, oh, you're calling me big head, therefore you don't respect me, you're very disrespectful towards me. Or the person really have a very big head. So because of the fact that you call the person a big head, even if you're joking, the person might take it seriously because the person already maybe have an insecurity due to the person's head. So everything in life, your emotions is your perspective, not a reality. Try to question your thoughts. Believe that emotions are they're not reality. They're just an interpretation of your thoughts. Number 3, focus on the things that you can control. When you master the act of focusing on things that you can control, things become more easier for you. You should know that you cannot control everything that happens in life, but definitely you can control how you choose to react to those things and leave the things that you cannot control and accept reality. Most of you guys don't accept reality. Most people don't accept reality. You know, when something is over, stop feeding your delusions. Particularly, stop feeding your delusions. Stop being delusional. Like, accept reality. Know how to accept reality. Focus on things that you can control. Stop thinking every time, oh, is this person cheating on me? Is this person doing this? Is this person doing that? Even if they are cheating on you or something of that sort, can you control it? You cannot control it. You cannot control if that person chooses to talk to other people. You cannot control who that person chooses to love. Because even you are in your heart, you can't control who you choose to love. You don't tell people who they love. You can't tell people who they love. You can't even tell yourself who to love. Because if you tell yourself who to love, most times you might not even fall in love with some particular people. What can you control? You can control yourself. You can control things that you choose to do. You can control, to some extent, you can control how you choose to feel. And how do you control how you choose to feel? By changing your perspective, looking at things from another angle. Because even every emotion that we feel in life is because of our perspective. If you feel happy, you feel sad, something feels funny to you, it's because of your perspective. That is why some people will see a particular comedian, they feel like this comedian is funny, while some other person might say that this comedian is not funny. Because of that perspective, every emotion that we feel in life is due to our perspective. Number 4, learn to reflect on the bigger picture. Yeah, that is what I was telling people on Telegram the other day. Stop limiting yourself. Always see the bigger picture. Ask yourself, all this thing that is happening now, would it really matter in 5 years' time? Would it really matter in a year time? That is one of the easiest ways to, go about these things. Ask yourself, will it really matter? Picture yourself in 5 years. Picture yourself in 2 years. So always learn to see the bigger picture of something, because if you always dwell in the smaller picture, if you always feel like you cannot be better or you cannot see something better, that is when you start having deep pain in your heart. Ask yourself, does this person define your existence? You've been existing before you met this person. So what makes you feel like you cannot exist after you met this person? That is why I always say that you should have a life outside of any particular person that you're dating, because when you do that, you would not revolve your life around a particular person. The next point I have here is that stop falling in love with a version of them that doesn't exist. Stop being delusional. I believe that before you fall in love with a particular person, before you love somebody, there are some things that person would be doing, right? Even if maybe you're attracted to the person physically at first, but before you fall in love with a particular person, it's because of the way that person treats you, because of the way that person is towards you. And if they are no longer that way, they are no longer the person that you used to know, why are you still holding on to the version of them that doesn't exist? Would you love someone that doesn't treat you right? Would you love somebody that always cheats on you? Like, why are you holding on to the version of them that doesn't exist? Because if you look at it from this angle, you know that most times when people are treating you bad, or when somebody is treating you bad and you still yearn for them, you're in love with the version of them that doesn't exist. You're in love with that version of them that treated you better. So stop holding on to the version of them that doesn't exist. See things for how it truly is. See things for how it truly is at that particular moment. Do also join the Telegram channel. Do also join our Telegram community. The link is going to be in the description box down below. So if you want to be part of the discussion every first Saturday of the month, trust me, it's always a banger. It's always a success. You don't want to miss out on this. Join the Telegram channel. The link is going to be in the description box down below. And please give this video a very big thumbs up if you found this video very useful. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button to be part of our community. me here on YouTube, and also wish me a happy new year in the comment section down below. See you in my next video. Cheers.